Hello everybody, welcome again. Today we are going to learn English through questions and answers. Are you ready? Let's get started. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock every day. I get up at 7 o'clock every day. Do you have a shower? Do you have a shower? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like to have a shower before I go to work. I like to have a shower before I go to work. Do you have breakfast sitting down or standing up? Do you have breakfast sitting down or standing up? I have breakfast sitting down. I have breakfast sitting down. What time do you go to work? What time do you go to work? I go to work at 8. I go to work at 8. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. Do you still work at the bank? Do you still work at the bank? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work? I finish work at 4:30. I finish work at 4:30. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon.